Most people get Home Assistant running and then freeze. The interface looks overwhelming. There are 100 settings, and you don't know where to start. Here's the truth. The first 20 minutes of setup will determine how stable and secure your smart home hub is for the next few years. In this video, we configure your network properly, lock down user access, and build your first dashboard, step by step. Let's get into it. Home Assistant is a local, open-source smart home platform. That means your data stays on your network, not on a company's cloud server somewhere overseas. For South African users, this is especially important. Load shedding, unreliable internet connections, and data costs mean that depending on cloud services for your smart home is a risk. If the internet goes down, your automations should still work. Home Assistant runs locally. Your lights, your sensors, your automations, all on your own hardware. But a local system is only as good as the setup behind it. If your Home Assistant box doesn't have a static IP address, your automations will break when your router hands out a new one. If you have no user management, anyone on your network can access your dashboard. And if your dashboard is a cluttered mess, you'll stop using it within a week. These are not edge cases. These are the 3 most common mistakes beginners make. So before you add a single smart device, let's build a proper foundation. One more thing before we start. If you want a pre-built setup checklist, every step in this video condensed into a printable PDF. I've made one available on Gumroad. The link is in the description. It's the kind of thing that saves you an hour of backtracking. Step 1. Complete the onboarding wizard. Open your browser and go to Home Assistant, local, 8123 if that doesn't resolve. Use the IP address your router assigned. You can find it in your router's DHCP client list. The onboarding wizard will launch automatically. On first boot, create your owner account. Use a strong password here. This is the admin account. Write it down somewhere safe. Enter your home name, your location, and your time zone. Home Assistant uses location data for sun-based automations, like turning lights on at sunset. Click through and finish the wizard. Do not skip the location step. Step 2. Set a static IP address. Go to Settings, then System, then Network. You'll see your network interface listed here, usually called ETH0 for wired or ULAN 0 for wireless. Click on the interface. Switch the IPv4 mode from DHCP to static. Enter an IP address.